So just to continue explaining coefficients and how they work, remember the coefficient is this part of the formula. So essentially what you're doing is you're multiplying the size by the coefficient. So m over here multiplied by the size of the house. And that coefficient value is over here. And the way you get this from your model is very simple. So once you create your model, so remember, for us, it was very simple. We just had this sample data that we wanted to feed into a model, and we created a variable called model, created an instance of this class, and then applied the fit function. And this would take in our data that we had, the x values and the y values. And once we've taken those, the model is ready. And from the model, what you can do is you can then extract the coefficient by using model.coef underscore, and that would give you the coefficient value. Now, this value, you may have noticed I've labeled it twice. It's also known as feature importance. But the way you get this, remember, I'm just using the code here. So I'm just coding a coefficient over here at the label, and then I'm printing model.coef. I'm doing the same thing. It's just called feature importance. And again, I'm just printing that. So it's the same value. So as you can see from the output, feature importance 0.211. And here we also have 0.211. So it's the same value, just different way of referring to it. Some people may call it feature importance. And the reason it's called feature importance is essentially every time this feature size changes, what should this value, the sum of this value should change by. So essentially, if it's 1, then you'll just get 1 multiplied by this. If it's 2, you'll get 2 multiplied by this. The same exact number. So this number coefficient doesn't change at all for the model. It will stay the same based on when you created the model. The only thing that changes is the size. So as the size of the house increases, so if we have a look at the graph over here, each time the size goes up by 1. So when it goes up here and here, that value will get multiplied and it keeps on increasing. That's why this is called linear regression, because it's increasing in a linear fashion. So that's basically the basic formula, but you use this code to retrieve the coefficient value from your model.